If you were planning to buy BuzzRep, but just wanted some awesome bonuses to get 100% for free, that's what I'm about to go over in this. If you were thinking about buying BuzzRep and wanted some bonuses just to get If you were thinking about buying BuzzRep and wanted some bonuses you could get completely for free, that's what we're going over in this video. We've got a crazy bonus package to go with this. All you have to do is use the link in the description. All of these will be 100% yours for free, just as a thank you for using the link in the description, and it's the exact same price for you. Now, if you're looking for a review of BuzzRep, we can do that as a separate video. We have a long backlog of videos that we're creating right now. If you do want a full-on review, just make sure to let me know down in the comments. I'll do that. This video, I'm just covering the bonuses, which are going to blow you away. So I'm really excited. If you're not familiar with BuzzRep at all, it is this DM Chrome extension that you can use to comment, post, or DM anybody in seconds. In fact, I've used this strategy, unfortunately, without the Chrome extension, but I used this strategy over the last probably 5 years to do like barely over 10K. It hasn't been my primary strategy, but I know people who've done 6 figures by just building relationships with people in comments or by commenting on viral posts. So it allows them to do a few things. They can drive traffic to their pages and their offers and their content, but they can also build relationships with people that allow them to develop these deep relationships that allow them to not only sell one thing, but to sell multiple things over months, weeks, years, into the future. So it's a really powerful software that allows you to do that at a completely different level by utilizing AI. So if you want a full review, let me know. We'll do that separate. In this video, I just want to dive into what I believe is an insane bonus package. In fact, let me be honest. This was too good. My team actually builds a lot of our bonuses. Then I come in and I look at them and I actually like deliver them to you guys. Most of the time, sometimes they do that as well. I had to have a conversation with the team after this one of like, I don't know if we should be doing this much for every launch because this is a lot of stuff and it's very, very, very high quality. We could have given you all 2 of these bonuses and it's a great deal at that. We have a ethos at our company that we want to make these bonus packages so good that you buy the product literally just for our bonuses and then get their product as a bonus. And obviously it's just like, we just want to deliver so much value to you guys. So let's dive into it. This is the BuzzRep bonus stack. And please, one other note, if at any time in the future you decide to buy something else, anything else, always email me at info@jakethornhill.com and I will let you know if we have a bonus package or if we can build one for that offer for you. That's really our goal on this channel, is we want to provide as much value to you guys through bonuses as we possibly can. And by doing that, we make money through affiliate commissions. Very important. If you don't do this, I can't give you bonuses. Once you claim your bonuses by using that link in the description, make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com. I'll reply. It gives me a chance to say thank you, to get to know you a little bit, but primarily to give you your bonuses. Sorry, my voice has been shot today. Bonus number 1 is a full course called Done For You Social. It's probably 3-ish hours. So a lot of the bonuses, what we do is actually go out and acquire these bonuses. Some of them are courses that sold for 4 figures plus, and I think this one sold probably for around $1,000. But we have to pay more so we can get giveaway access to people. So this is just an awesome course that teaches you how to get your social media done for you, which is particularly interesting because with BuzzRep, a big part of it is replying to people in the comments. So if you can get the content done for you, now you come in with BuzzRep and it allows you to speed up the conversation under the social, or so you don't have to touch this at all and you can go comment on viral posts. It's a great addition with BuzzRep. Next is Done For You Notion templates to sell. Now, a lot of what I've seen is one of my favorite things because you do have 2 paths, right? If you're going to use BuzzRep, you can go the path of, I'm just going to drive traffic to my stuff by commenting under viral stuff, or you can do more of the relationship building. You can do both, but if you go on the relationship building, now you're having conversations with people in DMs, what you're able to do is have these Notion templates where anywhere from like $20 to $100, you can do bundles, so you can do more than 100. But you have these low ticket items that you can easily sell to people in the DMs. You talk to them, what do they need? You have a template ready to go. If you want to make some changes to the template so it's perfect for them, you can do that and then sell it to them right in the DMs. So I believe there are 19 templates available for you that you get access to. They're completely done and you can sell them. Next is Notion Millions. Just in case you're not super familiar with Notion, we wanted to add a little like mini course. It's a text course, but a mini course on Notion so you understand it if you decide to sell those done for you templates. 4 is Jake's top affiliate list of best affiliate programs, just in case you don't know. I am Jake, and I've been doing affiliate marketing for just over 5 years, done just shy of $1 million in commissions, and I have some great affiliate programs. Firm believer in high ticket affiliate marketing, with occasionally doing some things that are recurring as well. There are some gold programs in there. I would be blown away if there were not some in there that you haven't heard of. So that thing is pure gold. Next is bonus number 5, make $100,000 a year with ghost pages. This is a bonus I made recently, and it was so good that I've started adding it into other bonus packages. So ghost pages was another product that I actually was promoting, and I'm like, hey, I'll make you this Loom video and go through the strategy of how we're doing it. Well, as I made the video, I'm like, man, this is really, really good, because what we're doing is I have a team of 4 virtual assistants at this point. I mean, they're employees. They've been with me for 3 and 4 years, depending. 3 of them for 3 years, 1 of them for 4 years. And I explained exactly what I have one of them doing and how one of those employees is going to generate $100,000 for our business over the next year. And it's a 30-minute strategy session through Loom. So good. So now I've been adding it into other bonus packages as well, because I think the value is just crazy and you can get a lot out of it. And you can also use BuzzRep in this strategy. What I would do, because I don't cover this in the Loom video, but you can do a little bit of strategy yourself based on what I talk about in the Loom video. If you were to use BuzzRep on something like LinkedIn or Facebook groups, targeting, because I go over exactly the affiliate program we're using, the exact industry we're in. If you were to use BuzzRep in that industry on either LinkedIn or certain Facebook groups, and then led people into DMs, had conversations with them, you would absolutely destroy. You would make so much money. So this is a killer bonus. Now there's 2 more bonuses. Now these are only available if you buy any of the upgrades. I don't even remember at this point how many upsells there are in BuzzRep. I don't think it's anything crazy, but you have to buy at least one of those upsells in order to get these next 2. And you'll see why, because bonus number 6, I told my team we went crazy on this one. Bonus number 6, and they already put it out there, so I'm not going to retract it, but it won't be this much on other products. Bonus number 6, 120,000 faceless videos. Again, with BuzzRep, I'm assuming that you don't want to go out and be creating 30 videos a day. That's probably why you're trying to look for other angles. So what you can do with faceless videos is this is a ton of short form content that obviously doesn't have your face on it. But what you can do is auto schedule it, and you just put text over it. That way you're not having to show your face. You have constant content going out that you can then direct to your affiliate links. And there are 120,000 faceless videos in this Google Drive folder. You have complete access to them with this bonus. Again, as long as you get one upsell. Bonus number 7, 223 viral posts. This is actually an old favorite of mine. I've been using this 4 or 5 years now. And now that I can implement, let me grab this. And now the best part is I can also utilize AI to do it at an even higher level. So you can see the different types: brand awareness, engagement posts, fan focus, question, promotional. What I love to do now is to take this, stick it into ChatGPT, that already knows my business really well. And I'll say, create 4 or 5 know the squad posts, one with each member of our team, and use this format. And because it already knows my business, it just spits these out automatically. And then I'll go to the next one, do the same thing. I mean, you have absolutely endless content. And with BuzzRep, you just make these posts, or you can hire someone to make these posts for you. And now you just go in the comments and just absolutely make connections, talk to people, ask what they need, make them sales, maybe of Notion templates, maybe of affiliate programs. Again, a big reason of why we included the affiliate one is when you get into DMs with somebody, you might want to tell them like, hey, this is exactly what you're looking for. Check this out. You'll love it. So these are our bonuses for this. This is a crazy bonus package, by the way. This is a bonus package that should be for a $5,000 product. This is crazy for something like BuzzRep, which is not expensive at all. What is $27 or something? crazy. I'll add the link down in the description. You can go look through the whole sales page yourself. But remember, if you do make that purchase, make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com. And if you buy one of the upsells, make sure to let me know that as well, so I give you the version of the bonuses with those 2 upsells. Hope you enjoy. Do subscribe to the channel. We talk about all things affiliate marketing, and I also have the best bonuses in the world. So if you ever want to buy something else online, make sure to email me first and let me serve you by offering you some incredible bonuses if you choose to buy through my link. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you later.